In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find reels you liked on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, tap at menu icon and then select your activity. After that, tap on interactions and then likes. That will show you both of your posts and reels that you have ever liked on Instagram, and they will be sorted from newest to oldest. You can drag it up to download more and more content, and that's how you can easily find your liked reels. Reels will be overlaid with that reel icon at the top right corner, and also you can tap at sort and filter and change sort by from newest to oldest to newest, or you can sort it by author. In that way, you can select multiple authors at the same time. Then just don't forget to hit add done, and also you can set start date and end date for that filter. Then just hit on apply to apply that filter, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.